Exercise number 9.2. First problem. Choose the correct answer and give justification. We have to select which one is the correct answer. For solving this, let us read this first bit. The angle between a tangent to a circle and the radius drawn at the point of contact. So, whenever we see or whenever we draw a tangent and radius, we can find that the angle between the tangent and radius is 90 degrees. If the angle is not 90 degrees, that means both are not perpendicular, then that will become a secant. So we can write the option D. This is the second bit. In this they said from a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter. If we draw a circle and to this circle we will draw a tangent, and they have given the length of the tangent is 24 centimeter. Next, and the distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeter. This is the center. From this center to the external point, the distance is 25 centimeter. From a point Q, so this is Q, this is P, and the center is O. We have to find the radius. We don't know the radius. So let us start the solution. OP. What is OP? OP is the radius. We don't know this. Next, OQ is equals to 25 centimeter. PQ is equals to 24 centimeter. Next, according to Pythagoras theorem or from previous problems, we know that this angle is 90 degrees. Because of this angle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square OQ square is equals to opposite square OP square plus adjacent square, that is PQ square. Or you can say opposite square PQ square and opposite square is adjacent square is OP, or else you can say anything. OQ is 25 centimeter. OP we have to find the value. PQ 24 square. 25 square is 625 is equals to OP square plus 24 square is 576. Bring it here, it will become negative. 625 minus 576 is equals to OP square. 15 minus 6, 9. 11 minus 7, 4 is equals to OP square. So OP, when we remove this square, we get square root on the other side, that is square root of 49. OP is equals to 7 centimeter. So this is nothing but the radius. So what is that option? Option A. This is the third bit. In this they said that if AP and AQ are the two tangents of a circle with center O, so that POQ is equals to 110 degrees, then angle PAQ is equal to, we have to find angle PAQ. We don't know this, but we know that in solution. Let us write in quadrilateral OPQA. In this we know that angle POQ is equals to 110 degrees. We know radius and tangent both are perpendicular to each other. That means they are 90 degrees. So angle OPA is equals to angle OQA is equals to 90 degrees. Next, sum of all angles. We don't know angle OPA PAQ is equals to question mark. We know that sum of all angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So angle O plus angle P plus angle Q plus angle A is equals to 360 degrees. Angle O is 110 degrees plus angle P is 90 degrees plus angle Q is 90 degrees plus angle A. A is nothing but PAQ is equals to 360 degrees. 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 110, 290 plus angle PAQ is equals to 360 degrees. Send this 290 to that side. Angle PAQ is equals to 360 minus 290. Angle PAQ is equals to 70 degrees. That is option B. It is the fourth bit. In this they said that if tangents PA and PB from a point P to a circle with center O are inclined, that means from a circle the two tangents are meeting or inclined to each other at an angle of 80 degrees. So this angle is 80 degrees. Let it be P. Then angle PAPB. These are two tangents. Then angle POA. O is the center. So angle POA we have to find. This is the center. So we don't know that. But we know this angle is 90 degrees and 90 degrees. As we have already learnt in solution, let us start this. If angle APB is equals to 80 degrees, then we get, according to in quadrilateral, all the angles, sum of all angles is 360 degrees. From that we can get angle AOB is equals to 180. 90 plus 90 is 180. So 180 minus 80, that is 100. So angle AOB is equals to 100. From where we have got this? Since angle A plus angle B is equals to 90 plus 90 is equals to 180 degrees. They didn't have said that clearly whether we are bisecting this, means dividing it into two equal halves, because POA. So if they have said that clearly, we could have written the answer 50, but they have not said the answer. The question is not clear, that's why we are writing it none. Fifth bit. In the figure, xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O. xy and x dash y dash are two tangents with the center O, and another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. Then we have to find angle A0 AOB. Next, from this figure we can understand that if you see, this is half circle. Half circle means angle in a semicircle. We have already learned this point in our previous classes. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. So the angle here in this part is nothing but 90 degrees. So the answer is